In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Chrome as Excel worksheet. To begin, open Google Chrome and create a new tab. A new tab gives you a clean place to enter the shortcut address, and it helps avoid replacing any page you might already be using. Once the new tab is open, move your attention to the address bar at the top of the browser window. Click inside the address bar so the cursor appears there. You can then type directly over it. Now type sheets.new into the address bar. Make sure it is typed as one continuous address, with a period between the two words and no spaces. After typing sheets.new, press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will load the address, and Google Sheets will begin creating a new spreadsheet for you. Once it finishes loading, you should see a blank worksheet on the screen. Once the page loads, you are effectively using Chrome as your gateway to an Excel-style worksheet. You do not need to install anything for this basic action because the spreadsheet opens inside the browser. From there, the worksheet is ready for use, and the grid layout should feel familiar if you have worked with spreadsheets before. And that is all there is to it.